Hello and welcome. You will learn what is Cinderella Solution and how it works, what results you can expect after using it, what about benefits and side effects. In this video, I'm going to answer all these questions. So please keep watching to discover everything to know about this magic formula in this video, but before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. This little action really supports us so much and motivates us to produce more and helpful contents for you. Millions of women all over the world constantly struggle to shed the stubborn pounds. Most of them just wish to go down a dress size or two, or to look a little more toned, instead of having flabby arms that flap around like butterfly wings. In theory, exercise and healthy eating are paraded as the paradigms of successful weight loss. In reality, most women are either busy juggling family commitments or working a day job, and in many cases both. They just don't have the time and energy to spend hours at the gym or weigh their food daily and track their calories like a human abacus. So, they end up trying weight loss supplements or signing up for Zumba classes that they infrequently attend or starving themselves in the hopes of losing weight. It all seems like too much effort that yields no fruit. Meanwhile, many women have been using a weight loss system that has been growing in popularity over the last year. It's called the Cinderella Solution, and it promises weight loss without arduous workouts, without expensive pills, and you don't need to starve yourself to lose weight. What is Cinderella Solution? Put down the weight loss pills, forget the invasive surgeries, fancy creams, and expensive modern-day fad diets. They never seem to work anyway. The Cinderella Solution is an online 4-phase weight loss system designed exclusively for women over 25, and it's based on new research that shows that the hormonal transition women go through during puberty and up to menopause basically destroys the female metabolism, making it near impossible to lose weight or to maintain a healthy figure. Throughout the system, you learn a unique 2-step ritual, specific series of exercises, and a proper diet that reactivates your metabolism to help you start burning fat fairly effortlessly. And no, ladies, this isn't some calorie counting system or strict diet that only allows you to eat vegetables. It's 100% safe and natural, realistic, and plausible for every woman out there. It only requires you to do specific exercises and to get specific nutrition into your day to reactivate your metabolism. Yes, it's that simple. All of the hard work is done for you, and all you have to do is follow through the meal plan, cook up the recipes, do the workout videos, and complete the 14-day plan that is provided to you. Here's what you receive when you get started. Main manual. Quick start guide. Recipe playbook. Guilt-free dessert guide. Video exercise guide, includes all the exercises of the program. The main manual is where you'll find the 4 phases that you work through, which includes Part 1, the program explained. Part 2, using your daily nutrition blueprint book. Part 3, using your movement sequencing exercise guide. Part 4, top 10 flavor pairs and weight loss combinations. But does the Cinderella Solution really work? Do we really need a new weight loss program with a relatively cool name? Will you become the belle of the ball with the Cinderella Solution? Only one way to find out. Let's examine this product in detail. The good points. The creator of this system, Carly Donovan, is just like most women. She was a busy mom who had been struggling with weight loss and found what worked for her through trial and error. She's not a CrossFitter or some athlete who has no problems shedding the fat. Most women will be able to identify with Carly, and the Cinderella Solution is basically an account of what she did to lose the weight. This is real-world info. She's not a fitness trainer who goes into sports psychology or physiognomy. It's just Carly telling you what she did, and here's the best part: what worked for her seems to be working for most women like her. That's exactly why this product is a runaway bestseller. The system itself is simple and easy to follow. In Chapter 1, you're given an overview of what you need to do and what the program is all about. The focus is more on the food and meal timings, which play a huge role in weight loss. 80% of your weight loss success will depend on what and when you eat. Chapter 2 is about coupling your food choices so that the effect of the foods you eat will not cause your body to gain weight as easily. Besides that, you'll be taught nutrition timing, flavor pairing and exercises to make you slim. All these may seem complicated, but rest assured they're all simple practices that can be easily adopted. In Chapter 3, you'll learn about Phase 1, which is the Ignite phase, and Phase 2, which is the Launch. Quite frankly, these terms don't really matter. If you get the practices that you were taught in Chapter 2 right, you'll definitely lose weight. The term phases is just clever marketing to make you think that your body loses weight in exciting stages. It doesn't. It loses weight overall, and it works at its own pace. Besides giving you the information about the eating habits you need to adopt to accelerate your weight loss, you're also provided calendars, meal plans and recipes. Everything is given to you to track your progress and also to ensure that your diet is just right without being overly restrictive. The Cinderella Solution is focused on addressing the reason your body stores fat and how to control fat storage and eliminate existing stubborn fat stores. By taking this approach, not only will you lose the weight you currently have, but you'll be less likely to gain the weight back or do the weight loss cha-cha where you lose 2 pounds this week and gain 3 pounds the next. This is a weight loss program for women by a woman. The official website has several success stories of women who have tried the Cinderella Solution and benefited from it. So, it does work, and that's a relief. The product itself is comprised of a 76-page book, a 30-page practice guide, and a 56-page Cinderella University guide. You have all the information you need to transform your body without becoming a gym rat or having to eat celery for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The bad points. Let's face the facts, weight loss is a slow process. It really is. While the Cinderella Solution will give you all the tools you need to succeed, it will take about 30 days to see some results and about 60 to 90 days to truly look like a brand new you. The good news is that the system is easy to follow. You just need to stick with it, which brings us to the next point. Consistency. You must be consistent. So many people fail here. The Cinderella Solution is not a miracle weight loss pill. It requires you to apply the information consistently for at least 1 to 3 months to see positive results. There are some sites out there calling this product a scam. This can cause jitters in potential buyers. Don't let these sites mislead you. There are people out there who will find an excuse to moan and groan about anything and everything, rather than actually doing the work and making the changes required to improve their lives. The Cinderella Solution will work, but you'll need to work it. That's the hard truth. You can make progress or make excuses. You can find inspiration or find inconsistencies. The choice is yours, but only one way will lead you to success. Things to consider. As the name implies, the Cinderella Solution has not been created for men, but rather, has been formulated specifically for women, keeping the intricacies of a woman's diet, metabolism, and other factors in mind. This ensures better results since you are not going to be using a generic weight loss program that promises to cater to both men and women, but in reality, can cater to neither. That's simply because men's and women's bodies function differently. Research has shown that men and women have a different metabolic rate and prefer different diets, which is the reason why you need a weight loss program that specifically targets those areas to ensure better and faster weight loss, without leading to any undesired side effects. This is exactly what the Cinderella Solution is offering you. A solution that's specifically formulated for women who are overweight and are struggling to shed those extra pounds. Ever wondered why all the effort you put into following various weight loss and diet programs haven't bore any fruit? That's because the developers of these weight loss programs are more interested in increasing their sales, rather than providing a solution that works. Once you realize that the male and female body is very different in terms of digestive system and metabolism, choosing a weight loss program that's specifically for women becomes a no-brainer. Keeping that in mind, the Cinderella Solution is the ideal choice for those women who are in their 20s or 50s and are struggling to shed those extra pounds. This weight loss program is effective because, unlike other weight loss programs, The Cinderella Solution is focused on the wants and needs of women as they lose the extra weight. Who's it for? The Cinderella Solution is for all those women out there who are struggling with their weight and want to experience their own Cinderella story. This comprehensive weight loss program has been designed exclusively for those women who are over 25 years old and want to shed extra pounds in a healthy way, but can't due to the adverse effects on their metabolism as a result of hormonal changes. Rather than stressing on difficult diet routines that drastically reduce the amount of nutrients the body gets or having to follow a physically taxing exercise regimen, the Cinderella Solution focuses on the core issues that result in weight gain in women. While this doesn't mean you will need to follow a diet that consists of fruit juice and cabbage, the weight loss system is a tried and trusted means for women to shed extra pounds in a way that's realistic, healthy, and natural. Who's it not for? Like all things worth having in life, you will still need to make some changes in diet and daily activities for the weight loss program to work. The program does include a detailed diet plan along with an exercise regimen that has to be followed in order to garner the results of the weight loss system. About the author, Carly Donovan. In essence, the Cinderella Solution is Carly Donovan's baby. The creator describes herself as being a regular woman who was concerned about her failing metabolism and was determined to find an answer. Basically, one of the reasons behind the success of the Cinderella Solution is that it wasn't created by some fitness guru or a nutritionist who pays celebrities to endorse the product. Well, Carly is a real woman who experienced the same problems that all women go through once they cross 20 and had to deal with a failing metabolism. The only difference between Carly and any other woman is that she didn't just resign to a failing metabolism and weight gain as the result of a hormonal change. She took her fate into her own hands and created her own personal Cinderella story. So, are you ready to create yours? Should you get the Cinderella Solution? It depends. If you're a busy mom or a career woman who wishes to shed the stubborn pounds and drop a few dress sizes, the Cinderella Solution will definitely help you and you should get it. This program was designed for the average woman who just wants to lose weight, get healthier and turn a few heads. Most women fall into this category and will benefit from the advice in the guide. However, if you're already athletic and you're trying to get washboard abs or look like a lean Instagram model, you'll probably need a course that's more hardcore and demanding. A chiseled silhouette requires a lot more work and time to achieve. Quite frankly, only a small percentage of women are interested in posting their bikini pictures on social media daily. Most just want the flab to disappear, and they don't want to suffer by starving themselves or sweating buckets while working out daily. If you're one of these women, the Cinderella Solution has your name written all over it. Pros: a weight loss system that's designed specifically for women. Unique weight loss program deals with women's issues when it comes to losing excess weight. Daily meal plans and bonus recipes. Includes multiple programs that can be easily accessed or downloaded. Offers a 60-day money-back guarantee. Relatively cheap compared to other programs in the market. Cons: the 98-page manual can be a bit overwhelming for some folks. The product is only available online. Conclusion: Cinderella Solution is every woman's guide to counteracting the effects of the hormonal transition studies have proven destroys the female metabolism. It's a comprehensive guide that teaches you the proper nutrition and exercises needed to boost your metabolism to start shedding off some weight, without having to restrict your diet or spend hours at the gym. It's designed exclusively for women like you and I, and hey, you even get 2 months to try it with the 60-day money-back guarantee. You have nothing to lose except a dormant metabolism. It's a valuable investment that you have ever made in your life. Get your Cinderella Solution today. Click the link in the description to start right now. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video, and if you have any question, please go ahead let me know by leaving a comment below right now.